Hey everybody, Scott Bauer again here from Prosper Trading Academy. And yes, trading and teaching, this has been my professional career. And I understand that's not what everybody has done, but for people looking to get into this space for trading, whether it's as a day trader or maybe taking more longer term positions, swing trades, now is, quite frankly, the absolute best time that I have experienced in my 30 years of doing this to get into this market. Why is it? I mean, I have a multitude of reasons. Number one, let's call it time. All right. The way that I trade, I am not specifically a day trader, meaning I'm not looking to get in and out and make a tick here, make a tick there. That's not the lifestyle that I want to lead. I don't want to be, so tied to my computer and especially my mouse, clicking in and clicking out that I'm tied to things like that. So right now in this marketplace, there is so much action, so much liquidity to be able to take positions and not have to just babysit them all day long. You must know what your risk is. You always have to be cognizant of what is going on in the marketplace. However, trading these types of strategies, spread strategies, allows you and affords you so much time because you don't need to be watching tick by tick, second by second to look where those profits or losses may be. So that's number one. Number two, I really love the freedom that this allows me and quite frankly, my students to have. Again, not being necessarily tied to your computer all day long, constantly over the weekends, allows you with comfort, with flexibility to have freedom where you want to go play golf or you need to go to the grocery store. Or quite frankly, you just want to hang out with some friends or whatever. You can have positions on, you can have option spread positions on and not have to really manage them on a second by second basis. Again, I can't emphasize enough. Risk management is the number one key to being successful. But with my types of spread strategies, they do not need to be monitored on a second by second or minute by minute basis. Okay? Again, that leads into all of this flexibility that I'm talking about. In quite frankly, you can trade while you're doing something else. You have to be cognizant, you have to pay attention to what you're doing, but the flexibility of trading these types of opportunities, the flexibility is there to go do something else. The flexibility is there. You want to take, some time off and again, like I said, go to the grocery store, go for a walk around the block. You are not tied to your computer. Number three, I believe in my entire career, there has never been an opportunity like this with the liquidity that we are seeing across the marketplace. There are more options, no pun intended here, to trade, to manage your risk than ever before, whether it's in some of the big indices, some of the big ETFs we see out there that represent the big indices, ones like SPY and QQQ, even in the VIX. These are things that we trade every single day. And there is so much liquidity out there. There is so much option volume out there, which for me, that is key. I want to trade in either individual equity names or some of these indices where there is big liquidity. Because what we're doing, folks, it's not like when I was trading on the floor back in the day where I was a market maker. We are all market takers. That means that we're, in the market and we pretty much have to try and go buy offers or sell bids, or for the most part, we want to do things in the middle of the market. But the liquidity that is out there right now has never been like this before. And it is easier to get in and easier to get out, in my opinion, than ever before. Number four, this all provides the opportunity for income generation. And that's why we do this, right? We do it because it's fun, we may like it, it's a passion, but the bottom line is we want to grow that bottom line. We want that income opportunity. And there is more opportunity that I believe than ever before in my 30-year history of trading. Right now, in this marketplace, we are seeing the market trade differently almost on a daily basis, if not weekly basis. with things going on between, macroeconomic issues, what's going on here with interest rates, there is just so much affecting the market, and that brings opportunity to generate income. Thanks everybody. Again, I'm Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.